Sophtone allows you to upload phone numbers in bulk. This is the method typically used to load numbers into Sophtone. You must name your upload for reporting and tracking purposes. Batching allows you to parse a file that contains a lot of phone numbers into smaller batches of numbers. So, for example, assuming you have a file with 100 phone numbers in it, and you assign a batch size of 20, the first 20 phone numbers will be assigned to batch 1. The second 20 phone numbers will be assigned to batch 2, and so on, up through batch 5. You may then filter for, delete, or assign a specific batch of phone numbers to your call instructions when you're ready. So in sum, batching allows you to easily filter for and manage a batch of phone numbers. And you may also assign call instructions to all of the numbers in your file when you upload them, if you choose. As always, all prices throughout Sophtone are based on dialing US phone numbers and per minute usage. Please check out the International Price Sheet hyperlink for country and number level pricing. Let's take a quick look at the file format instructions. Please note that all upload files must be in CSV format. If you don't know how to format a file as CSV, please Google it. The first 3 columns in your file must match exactly as shown here, with the phone number, the phone name, and the phone country column headers. If you don't know what country code you need, please click on the country code list hyperlink to look up the necessary code. When bulk uploading, you are allowed to upload up to 3 additional wildcard fields. By default, the phone name field is a wildcard field. Wildcards allow you to individualize your messages and can be very useful if you know something about the person or business that you're calling. The wildcard header is the equivalent of your wildcard name, and you may name your wildcards anything you like. The wildcard values are the actual values below the header name in your CSV file.